So hey friends, in this video I'm gonna talk about Ncell international roaming. Okay, so if you're traveling abroad and you are having an Ncell mobile number and you want to know about the tariffs, you want to know about the rates, what will be the rates applicable in different countries. For an example, if you're traveling to UAE for any purpose, like if you are going for a job or for a holiday trip or something else. Okay, so if you want to keep your Ncell mobile number active for any sort of purpose, like if you want to receive incoming SMSs for OTP purpose, or if you want to make calls from your Ncell number to Nepal or in UAE or in any country. Okay, so what you need to do and what are the charges applicable for that, I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is this is actually the roaming charges that is applicable while you are in abroad. Okay, so for an example, if we talk about let's see about Australia. If you are in Australia and if you are having an Ncell number, what are the charges applicable? You can see call back to Nepal. So the charges will be 36.77 Nepali rupees. Okay, applicable if you are calling from Australia to Nepal from your Ncell number. Okay, and the next is you can see this one 36.77. This is a local outgoing call. So if you're in Australia and you are making a call on an Australian number from your Ncell number, the charges will be the same 36.77. Okay, so one more thing is there, 201. This is the charges applicable if you are making an outgoing call to other countries, like you're making a call to like America, UAE, and these countries, but you are right now in Australia and you are making a call to abroad countries, international countries. Okay, so this is the applicable charges for that. And for incoming calls, this the charges will be applicable as 34.23. Okay, incoming SMS will be always be free, and outgoing SMS charges will be 24, like this 24.09. So you can check out this chart in I will provide you this chart in the WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number in this video. You can directly WhatsApp me. I will provide you this chart if you want to know the charges applicable in these countries. And one more thing, if you are having any issues in your Ncell mobile number regarding networks issue, SMS issue, and any kind of issue, you are not able to get network in these countries. If you are having an Ncell number or any other mobile number, if you are having any of these mobile numbers, then I will fix your issue, but the charges will be applicable for that. Okay, for my service. So if you are interested, you can WhatsApp me and I will fix your network issue, whatever issue you are having in your Ncell number. Okay, so yeah, that's it for in this video. And yeah, thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you.